Hi, this is Royce Eddings, Royce Construction. Thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel, Royce in the House. This is part 2 of our custom laundry room. See all the cabinets on the end, all self-closing, drawers and doors, wine rack, nice crown molding on top. Okay, there's the door to the garage. Upper cabinets, there'll be a pole installed. Some unique features, we've got a bench there. Take your shoes off when you've been working outside. We're on acreage here. Also have an area for a cat litter box. The washer and dryer also sit in a cabinet. And to the right of that is a sink. And the door to the outside. Some pretty unique tile here. Some of them have labels on them. Ceramic tile. And the Dutch door that leads to the kitchen. Thank you for joining me at Royce in the House. This is part 2 of our custom laundry room. It's now complete. Even the crawl space has a beadboard panel on it. And that's what's happening in Royce's world today.